Do you want to be as stealthy and agile as a ninja? Then this video is for you. We have scoured the internet for the most innovative and impressive ninja gadgets that will take your skills to the next level. Hello viewers, and welcome to our video on 20 small ninja gadgets that will blow your mind. In this video, we will be showcasing some of the most innovative and impressive ninja gadgets that are sure to take your skills to the next level. So sit back, relax, and prepare to be amazed. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Number 1. Monocular Telescope. The monocular telescope is a must-have ninja gadget for anyone who appreciates the power of discrete observation. This compact, lightweight device provides crystal-clear zoom capabilities that allow you to see distant objects with stunning clarity. Designed to fit easily into your pocket or bag, this monocular telescope is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts looking to enjoy bird watching, stargazing, and even spotting hidden targets from afar. Number 2. Real AR Glasses. The Real AR Glasses are a game-changing gadget that provides an immersive augmented reality experience. Unlike bulky and expensive VR headsets, these glasses offer a sleek and lightweight design that fits comfortably on your face. With the ability to connect to smartphones, you can enjoy high-quality AR applications and games with ease. Number 3. Electronic Lighter. If you're a smoker, then you know the struggle of carrying around a traditional lighter. They can be bulky and inconvenient to carry in your pocket or bag. That's where electronic lighters come in. Electronic lighters are sleek and compact, making them easy to carry with you wherever you go. Plus, they don't require any fuel since they are rechargeable via USB. Number 4. TSLY AR Wood Phone Docking Station. The TSLY AR Wood Phone Docking Station is a great addition to any workspace or bedside table. The sleek and elegant design of the docking station makes it not only functional but also visually appealing. Number 5. F80ROK Mini Projector. The F80ROK Mini Projector is a game-changer when it comes to compact, portable projectors. This tiny device can easily fit in your pocket and yet has the power to project high-quality images onto any surface. Number 6. Slim Wallet. Not only do these sleek accessories look stylish, but they also provide maximum convenience. With just enough space for your essential cards and cash, you can say goodbye to cluttered pockets and hello to easy access. Number 7. Digital Luggage Scale. These handy devices are compact and lightweight, making them easy to pack in your suitcase or carry-on. Simply attach the strap to your luggage handle, lift it up using the scale's handle, and wait for the reading. It's that easy. Number 8. Micro Bluetooth Speaker. Small ninja gadgets are not only convenient but also budget-friendly. With these 4 mini devices, you can upgrade your daily routines and add a touch of technology to your life. The micro Bluetooth speaker is the perfect example of how small gadgets can pack a punch. It may be tiny in size, but its sound quality is impressive. Number 9. Backpack Gym Bag. This small ninja gadget is perfect for those who want to get their sweat on but don't have time to make it home first. The Backpack Gym Bag has separate compartments for your shoes, clothes, and other gym essentials, making organization a breeze. Number 10. Translator Earbuds. Introducing the Translator Earbuds, a revolutionary device that could change the way we communicate with people from different parts of the world. These small ninja gadgets are designed to aid travelers in overcoming language barriers, making their journeys much more comfortable and enjoyable. Number 11. Neck Fan. This small ninja gadget is designed to keep you cool when it matters most, whether that's during a workout or while commuting to work. Neck fans come in all shapes and sizes, but they all share one thing in common. They're hands-free. That means you can wear them around your neck while still keeping your arms free for other tasks. Number 12. LED Flashlight Gloves. In today's world, where technology is advancing rapidly and we are constantly seeking ways to make our lives easier, these small ninja gadgets can be the perfect solution. The Backpack Gym Bag allows you to carry your workout essentials with ease, while the translator earbuds can help you communicate with people from different parts of the world effortlessly. Number 13. Screen magnifier for smartphone. A screen magnifier could be just what you need. This nifty little gadget is designed to enlarge your phone's display, making it easier on your eyes. The screen magnifier works by placing your device in a slot that sits behind a curved lens. Number 14. The Rollo-Ovo Digital Rolling Ruler. The Rollo-Ovo Digital Rolling Ruler is a small ninja gadget that will blow your mind. It's a digital ruler that can measure any surface, even curved ones. The best part, you don't have to physically touch the object you're measuring. Number 15. BitBar. BitBar is a small ninja gadget that will blow your mind. This device allows you to test your mobile apps on real devices in the cloud, which means you don't need to own every single device out there. Number 16. Sleep headphones. Sleeping with headphones on may sound uncomfortable, but the sleep headphones gadget will change your mind. This small and lightweight device is designed to provide you with comfortable sleep while listening to relaxing music or white noise. Number 17. Magnetic wristband. The magnetic wristband is another example of a small ninja gadget that will blow your mind. This simple accessory allows you to keep your metal tools organized and within reach as you work on DIY projects or repairs around the house. Number 18. Massage gun. The massage gun is a revolutionary device that has taken the fitness world by storm. This compact and powerful tool is designed to help athletes, gym-goers, and anyone suffering from muscle pain or soreness. It works by delivering deep tissue massage therapy that promotes blood flow and reduces inflammation. Number 19. Tile. Have you ever misplaced your keys or wallet and wasted precious minutes searching for them? Tile, a small Bluetooth tracker device, can help alleviate this frustration. Simply attach the Tile to any item you frequently misplace and use the Tile app on your phone to track its location. If you lose your item, simply press the Find button on your phone and the Tile will ring loudly. Number 20. Beanie hat with LED. This is not only a warm winter beanie hat, but also a hands-free LED flashlight to make you warm and light up your way at night. Popular outdoor utility light for hunting, camping, travel, running, walking, anywhere you want to work lighting and free your hand. So this was our today's video. I hope you all like this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel. And also share it with your friends and family. We will be back soon with a new video. Till then, keep supporting and take care.